Hey, thanks so much for pressing play. This is just a video about the vinyl revival, which I didn't know it was called vinyl revival, but that's the two words that sprung to mind when I wanted to do the search, and it happens to be the actual official tagline for it. It's kind of weird. It's because I started to see LPs in like supermarkets now, records on sale in Sainsbury's. And they're all like classic albums, they're not like the new releases. It just seems a bit bizarre, especially when it's supposed to have happened 2007, but it's still being spoken about now as a revival. 27, I like to keep that in mind because it pops up a lot in the numbers that I'm going to show from the revolutions per minute. 45 revs, 33 and a third revs, 27. So that's when it supposedly kicked off, but it's still being spoken about now. There's an article there about listening habits, what hi-fi do in an article. But I noticed this one down for the Financial Times. It's 22. That number pops up in a minute. As does the 12, I think. There you've got a 223 straight away, haven't you? It's just the way that bit's written. Going backwards, linking into satanic messages going backwards in records. Led Zeppelin, famous band of all, I guess, for that. And I believe it's true. I've not heard it in real time or whatever you describe it as, but I've heard recordings of supposedly the records going backwards. And yeah, it's perfectly acceptable for that to be true, especially now. Before, not really knowing about the numbers, but now I do know about the numbers, and these numbers popping up from just the revolutions per minute. And yeah, I'm going to show as well that record that came out I thought was apt for the video by Dead or Alive, You Spin Me Round Like a Record. Let's just show briefly how we get those numbers. So 45 revs per minute times 60 minutes for an hour, 27. So that's the first off one. Again, the revival was 2007 apparently. So that's per minute. So, sorry, per hour that is now. If we're doing it for 12 hours of the day with the record player still being on. You've got your 3-2 straight away and your 4. 3-2-4, add its mirror, 7-4-7. So you've got like your 7-11 thing with the mirror of 3-2-4. 7-7. So that's for the 12 hours. There's probably more from that as well. 24 hours. And there's your 6-4 and the 8, so that comes to 18. So you're getting your 3 6s there, 6 6 6. But also 8 8s are 64. So 8 8 coded into the 64 and your third 8. So revs per minute, 33 and a third. So in an hour, you've got your 1998. 9 plus the 9 in the middle being the 18. So that would then sort of look like that. 8 8 one side, 1 1 the other. 11 8, splitting 8, 88. It's your triple 8 again. Also adding them all up, see 27 once more. And then also 99, of course, just simple one there for that one. So that's just in the hour. So let's look at 12 hours of having a LP playing. So again, you got your 2/3 this time instead of the 32 from the other one. The reverse. Still 3/3 coded there. And then if you just do the 9 plus the 7 plus the 6 on its own, so you got your coded 2/3 there. That's your 22 that side. As well, show this one. It comes to 27, them all together. 2 3's being 6, so you've got a 6 9 there. 7 6. 7 6 being 13 together, which is the 7th number in the Fibonacci. But also 7 times 6 being 42. The answer to the ultimate question is also coded in there. And also just showing that as well. So again, keeping just that as your 3/3, 6 times 9 then, 54, plus the remaining 7 in the 6, gets you the 67, the mirror of that one. So that one's pretty cool. So that's 12 hours. 24 hours then of a record being on. And there's your 7/11. Comes to 27 as well. But so 7/11 if you want just on its own. Then what we've got there left over, 9, 10, 11, 16. You could have your 77 that side, 8, 8 that side with a coded 16. But I also saw that as 4 plus 7 being the 11, 9, 11, leaving the 7 on its own. So yeah, that's for 24 revs per minute. Sorry, 24 hours on the 33 revs. So yeah, let's just quickly look then at that record, because to be honest, I've never seen an album so coded with, sorry, not an album, as title, record, or anything, have so many ciphers. And I may have to show it in a separate video because this has gone a bit long, but yeah, please check it out. Thanks so much.